I've started.
So that the baiting of the dog has started. That's what we call carry. Carrying of the little Jack at home. Care of the little Jack at home. Oh, where? Keep quiet. You not do anything now. Simple so. You use a very simple soap like Lux or Joy to bait the dog, a puppy. But once it's mature dog, you now look for their chemical soap. So it will not affect the dog in any way. Ah! Come on! Little Jack! You want to run away? I'm taking care of you. You are running away. Little Jack! Little Jack! Little Jack! Baiting is essential. It's good for you. It's good for your head. Little Jack. Baiting is good for your head. I say, cat, go nowhere. Stay. Relax. It's good to use very mild form of soap on Little Jack, and this will take care of a lot of
Shh, I'm recording something
on your body.
Mommy, I'm recording something.
So, Little Jack, be careful. What are you doing? Be careful, so that you live clean and healthy. You live clean and healthy, Little Jack. Ah! Stop it! Where you running to?
Little Jack, eh?
Where do you want to run to, Little Jack?
Jack, where are you going to?
Little Jack is getting stronger than what it was.